Hello and welcome to the 10-day trend. You may or may not be pleased to hear that the heatwave is coming to an end, and by the weekend the hot sunshine will be replaced in some places by heavy rainfall. Then next week, well, we're back to fairly typical British summer weather. Much cooler, with a mixture of rain or showers at times. But the low pressure that is bringing the change for this weekend, you can see it there, it's slow moving out of the Atlantic, and during the next 24 hours or so it tends to push closer to the UK. And the first thing it does as it approaches this high that's been dominating over the UK for the past 10 days or so is that it helps to push the hottest weather further northwest. So the heat has been focused towards the south and west, and increasingly it will be focused on Thursday and Friday towards the northwest. And so this is how the temperatures look on Thursday. We're talking about high 20s fairly widely across western parts of the UK, up to 30 degrees or possibly a touch higher for southwest Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwest England into the West Midlands, South Wales as well. And it's in these areas where there is extreme heat warning, because not only are the high daytime temperatures there, but we've got the high nighttime temperatures and the longevity of the heat wave. All of those factors combined with the potential impacts on public health and infrastructure warrant one of these extreme heat warnings. But it's not hot everywhere. You can see a marked contrast for the east coast, and actually it will be a touch cooler on Thursday in the far south coast, I think, with a bit more of an onshore breeze. Most places, though, on Thursday are looking sunny, and the heat in one or two spots could spark the odd shower at Wales, the Midlands into northern England, but most places avoiding those. There will be some low cloud in the east, these North Sea coast. That will push inland overnight, and on Friday it will tend to retreat back to the coast. A big difference on Friday in the east and the south, more of a breeze coming in, so cooler air here, the heat more and more focused towards the northwest, and so for western Scotland as well as for Northern Ireland, northwest England, West Wales, that's where high 20s are expected, perhaps the odd 30. And that's where, well, we could set off again a thunderstorm or two, especially over the higher ground of Northern Ireland, western Scotland, northwest England. These will be very isolated, but where they do occur could be quite impactful: torrential rain, hail and lightning. You can see the breeze, though, bringing cooler conditions to the south, and it's towards the south that we see the first signs of a change. Friday night, heavy rain, potential thunderstorms, but no guarantee of these storms. They're most likely across northern France, could drift into parts of southern England at times, but mainly I think it'll be outbreaks of rain, some heavy rain for a time, moving through quite quickly initially Friday night, 30 to 40 millimetres in places, but then this low slows down as it settles over England and Wales for Saturday, and that means on Saturday the showers or longer spells of rain will become more and more slow moving and most likely to impact southern parts of England and South Wales. The further north you are, the brighter the skies, the drier it will be. And for Scotland, Northern Ireland, parts of Northern England, we keep the warm sunshine for another day, with, again, temperatures in the northwest of Scotland reaching the mid to high 20s, but a little cooler elsewhere and feeling quite humid, I think, in the southeast. Otherwise, temperatures not far from normal for the time of year. Into Sunday, and that low is slow moving, and it's likely to bring some heavy rainfall first thing for central and eastern England, and then showers breaking out or thunderstorms fairly widely around this low across much of England, Wales, perhaps into southeast Scotland, and the odd shower for Northern Ireland as well as central Scotland. But it's across the southern half of the UK, primarily parts of England and Wales, where the heavy rainfall and these slow-moving showers or thunderstorms throughout Saturday and Sunday could cause impacts. Hit and miss, it will be highly variable place to place where we get the slow-moving showers, and some places, if you get shower after shower or thunderstorm after thunderstorm, could get up to 100 millimetres of rainfall. And that's why there's a yellow warning in force for Saturday and Sunday, because that could cause localised flooding. But Scotland and Northern Ireland, apart from the odd shower perhaps on Sunday, mostly dry with some sunny spells, a bit more cloud coming along. Temperatures on a downward trend here, and for many we're back to around average for the time of year. Into the start of next week then, and that low is slow moving. It's likely to push some heavy rain into eastern Scotland for a time on Monday. That could cause a wet day here, but for the northwest, primarily dry, showers breaking out elsewhere. And you'll notice we're in this dip of the jet stream now, so we're on the cool side of it and the unsettled side of it, with low pressure in charge instead of high pressure. High pressure has retreated back, and that trend really continues for much of next week. We're in the cool northern side of the jet stream. We've got high pressure towards the southwest and low pressure towards the north of the UK. In terms of the general pattern, most of the computer models tend to agree that this is how it will shape up throughout much of next week. Low pressure around about here, the odd low coming in to replace it at times, high pressure towards the southwest, and the jet stream dipping over the UK. So what that means is that it will be much cooler. Temperatures trending back towards average, or by the end of the week, perhaps a little below average. And the weather will be fairly mixed, changeable. It's impossible at this stage, a week ahead, to tell you exactly where the various bands of rain or showers will be, but there will be bands of rain and showers at times. But away from the rain and showers, there will be some sunshine as well, so it's not going to be a complete washout. And just to illustrate the temperature trend, I've picked a meteogram for Manchester. The red boxes here show the daytime temperatures. The red line shows the average for the time of year, and you can see Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, well above average, and then steep drop into the weekend, back to the red line or just above for the start of next week. And then, if anything, these boxes are a little below the red line. The boxes are always quite small, so that indicates reasonable confidence for that general trend. Most of the models are saying the same sort of thing, for the temperature to drop back to average, or perhaps by the end of next week, a little below average. So overall, next week, much cooler. Temperatures back to average or a touch below by the end of the week. Rain or showers, but not all the time. There will be some brighter spells at times as well. In other words, back to good old-fashioned British summer weather. And of course, if you want to stay up to date, you can follow us on social media. Bye-bye.